Okay, this is one of the little watermelon signs from the Dollar Tree. Look how cute this is. Sweet summertime. Like, it really doesn't need much. I wanted to use some of these summer signs from the Dollar Tree to kind of fill that cabinet out where we had that little tier tray before, to kind of make a little summer vibe cabinet. Now, I did want to tone down the glitter a little bit, so I did use a paint pen, and this is like a light blue color. I wanted to bring in a little bit more blue on this one. There is a blue like letter about this color in summer. And I'm just going over all of the glitter with that to kind of tone that down a little bit. It doesn't completely hide it, but then I'm also going to use matte Mod Podge all over the front of it to tone the glitter down even more. But the signs are really cute. They would be perfect if they didn't use glitter on them. I did go in with a second coat of Mod Podge just to make it look a little bit more matte, and I like the way that turned out. Now, I don't need the hanger on the top, so I just tied a simple little twine bow to cover that up. I want to make this a standing sign for my cabinet for summer. And so this is going to be a very quick, easy little watermelon DIY. I just need a way to stand it up. And I'm just going to use some of these Jenga blocks from Five Below here. They're nice and heavy, and I think it's going to make a nice little stand here for the back. Whenever I glue these to the back, I make sure I don't go all the way down to the bottom of the project because you want your project to slightly lean back. That way it doesn't want to tip over because this is a really kind of big sign. And I think that is going to work, our little sweet summertime sign. And this is how it turned out. I think it's so cute. I love the colors.
And you can really take those cute little summer signs from the Dollar Tree and make them a little bit better, add them to your decor. Brings a lot of fun and sunshine with the fruit theme. And the watermelon signs are some of my favorites. It looks really good in my cabinet here for summertime.
This is another Dollar Tree summer sign. It says, "Hello, Summer." Nice long sign. And I thought we could actually make this like a standing sign as well. I have kind of a short shelf on that cabinet, and this will almost fill the entire thing up. It's got watermelons, oranges, limes, pineapple, lemons, kind of everything we've been using today. Tie it all together, and it says "Hello, Summer." Again, glitter. So I'm toning that down with some more Mod Podge, covering the entire sign. I love that it has a blue background because that kind of makes it go with all of the blue that I have in my house. And I just want to make it a standing sign as well. So it doesn't have any holes or anything like that that I have to fill up, but I just need to make a stand. And again, I'm using some of those Jenga blocks from Five Below. I usually pick these up every spring at Five Below. They were like $10 for a giant box of them, and then I think they went up to $12 the last time I bought them. But this year I did not pick any up. I have not been in there, and I don't know if they still have them. But I love them for crafting. And this is the shelf that I thought that would be perfect for. Look how it's just the right size.
And it not only just has watermelon, it has all of the summer fruits. Super cute. It's going to tie in well with all the items we made for that tier tray.
Now, this is another quick, easy Dollar Tree project. Another sign from the Dollar Tree. This is the little jar that says "Sweet Summer Sunshine," and it's got like lemons and watermelon in it. And I'm going to kind of try to make mine look a little bit better too. So I took the hanger off, and then I'm just using that same light blue paint pen that we used before for the other watermelon sign. And it'll kind of tie in with that blue sign that we just did. And just painting over the top of the glitter, kind of bring a little bit of blue into this project just for fun. And kind of outline that back with a little bit of white too, just to clean that up. I think these little jar signs are so cute from the Dollar Tree. I touch up my green and my pink a little bit too, just because I thought it would try to, this had so much glitter on it. I thought that might tone it down a little bit, and it does help. If this sign didn't have glitter, I think it would be perfect. I like glitter sometimes, but only very rarely. So the little fruit and stuff that's attached to it has some glitter on it as well. So I'm going to use some Mod Podge kind of over everything to tone down any glitter that you can still see and any glitter that I haven't painted over yet, like on the little watermelon rinds and stuff like that, and the fruit on the top. And this was a hanging sign, so there are holes in the top of the jar, but I think it's fine. I don't think it's real noticeable. So I just need to kind of make a stand for this one too, and I think that this will fill up my cabinet for summer. So again, those are some of the Five Below blocks, and I'm just going to glue a couple together. And this is going to make it weighted down and make it really a lot sturdier than just a thin Dollar Tree sign. And I just glue that jar right to the top, just like that. And that is another quick, easy little watermelon DIY. This is how it turned out. I think it looks way better with a little bit of blue on there, to be honest. But I did touch up all of the paint on there and Mod Podged it to make it look more matte finish.